So, I think we are live. Let me check the stream. Yeah. So, let's wait for a second and I will explain what we are going to do today. Okay. Let me grab some. Things I just saw. Let's start with this. So let's see. There's a new image model from Flux, and it's pretty cool. So I think I can show it to you. They announced it a couple of hours ago. It's over here, as you can see. Flux context. This is yeah, I like the image model Flux a lot, and with this update, this is going to be insane. I think to try it out in a workflow. Pretty good. So this and replicate. They got a whole page dedicated to it, so you can just grab this endpoint and cartoonify all your images. Grab the C curl. It's pretty cool. They got so the image that you just saw in the thumbnail, I just quickly created with one of the replicates. Let me grab it. It's not this one, it's this one. Just to show you what's possible with this new model. Oh, where is it? I don't have it anymore, okay. That's a bit strange, but there is an example. I will just show you where it is. It's this one. I just used it. Let me see if I can show you my output. I'm not that familiar with the replicate, but I think I could show it to you somewhere here on the page. Now you can see it in the thumbnail. It's in the thumbnail. So let's do some self-hosting N8N. Let me show you what I've already done. Let me close these windows. What I already had done is I started the server on N8N. I installed EasyPanel on it. And if we go to this URL, we will get the sign-in screen of N8N. So what we are going to do in this live stream is we are going to set up a headset server. We are going to install on that server EasyPanel, and we are going to install N8N. And that is done. Those are the three first steps. We're going to use EasyPanel to add more services. So here we have Kokoro. If you're not familiar with Kokoro, it's the text-to-speech model from, let me show it to you. I have another instance running over here. It's this. So here we are able to call the API and use our own text-to-speech model. So we won't need 11 Labs or another service. So this is a different instance where it's already installed. But this is what we are going to build. So if I play this.
Effort equals progress, and progress equals success.
And there are a lot of voices. You can see how many there are. And these are the available languages. So this is what we are going to do. Then we are going to install Crawl4ai as well. So you won't need to pay for a crawling service anymore. You can just use this open source software. This is their GitHub page, Crawl4ai. And this is what we are going to install on our N8N server to be able to crawl websites. I will just show you that it's working. N8N, crawling the N8N website, and this is the result, the HTML of the page, the whole HTML. We could adjust it to grab the markdown. So this is the markdown of the page with the little deleted of all the unnecessary HTML stuff. So you could just use the cCurl and grab the API for it. So this is what we are going to build today. If you're not familiar with SAM automation, I will just a little plug of the community. SAM automation school community. The first 100 members will get this low price of $25, and there is almost twice a week a live stream where you can join, where we are going to talk about templates. These are all the templates that we are offering. There are more than 25 templates. You can ask questions, and of course the most important part of the community, they're all set up for the credentials. So if you are getting stuck and want to ask a question, you can first check out all the credentials, all written with images, and follow them along. Because when you are just getting started with N8N, it can be a little overwhelming, especially if you just grab a big template and just download it and don't know what to do with it. So this is the URL. There we go. All right, so what I am going to do is I'm going to delete this server. Let me see, I got this console, we don't need that. Delete it. This will be gone as well, and this will be gone as well. So let's wait for the server to be deleted, and then we are going to start from scratch with a whole new server. So this is a different, okay. Let's wait for the server to be deleted. Have a drink, and we will start soon. Let me refresh. Yeah, okay. The server is gone. So what we are going to do is we are going to grab a server. Location, yeah, you could choose a server location that's near you, but it's yeah, not really important. We're going to apps, Docker CE. For now, we are going to pick the shared hosting. If you need more power, you can grab the dedicated server, but for just running an N8N self-host, it's not necessary. You can just grab the shared one. So we are going with the AMD. After testing, 4 gigabytes of RAM, it's okay. 8, if you are running, for example, a bedtime story creator, and you are running your personal WhatsApp agent, and you are scraping Amazon best-selling products, and you are scraping Google Maps, then you'll run out of memory. So if that's the thing you are going to do with your N8N, and it's pretty addictive, so I would always choose 8 gigabytes because it's just if you cloud host, this will cost you 20 euros, but it's 24 euros a month, and you will only be able to have 5 active workflows. With the self-host, you can have as many active workflows as you like and as many workflow executions as you like. So that's a pretty decent deal, especially if you follow along and install the Kokoro as well, and all the other benefits from self-hosting. Let me check one thing. Oh, right. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's continue. So for the tutorial, of course, we are going with 4 gigabytes. So this could be the first tricky part. Creating an SSH key can be tricky, but it isn't at all. There are literally 3 commands that you need to remember and just to follow along. If you go to the classroom and the self-host tab, here is all the commands that you will need to do to create your SSH key on your own laptop. So open up a terminal and just press follow along with these commands. The only thing that you will need to do is this is the name, so you write SSH dash keygen dash t ed, and eventually you just write down your own email address or name, how you want to call the SSH key. You don't need to copy the first and the last part. It's over here as well. And then you can save the key. I've already done it, so I can pick my SSH key over here. If you don't select an SSH key, you will get the root password, and username is always root. So for now, I will just go with SSH key because that will make the whole process a lot fluent and better to handle all your server needs and eventually setup. So for now we go with our own SSH key. We won't enable backups because this will cost us more, and we can do it in Easy Panel as well. So for now we are done. We can just create them by now. The server will be created. Let me open up the terminal and see if I can put that over there. Let me enlarge it a bit. Okay, nice. Let's see if the server is created. Not yet. It's going to be almost online. So if you are getting stuck with the creation of the SSH key, of course you can just go to ChatGPT. I need a SSH key for mine. Just like this. You will get a guide and just follow along. It's the same information, but it isn't hard at all. But it's really necessary to create an SSH key. Okay, nice. The server is running. So if you don't create an SSH key, you will get the username and the password in your email, and then you can go to console and log in with your root and password over here. But for now we are running with an SSH key, so we are going to use our terminal. And let me check switch to the terminal because we are going to need that. Let me just switch the screen a bit. I'm running a MacBook, using a MacBook, so I will just show you how it's done on a MacBook. Alright, so you can see my terminal screen. So what we are going to do is we are going to connect with our server. So we are SSH, root, add, and then your API key. Is the API key of your server. Oh, let's try again. Let me try to fix that because we are running into a bug. We didn't select the correct SSH key. Let me recheck that. I think I didn't. Let me try to reconnect. Not again. Okay. Host. Okay. Your content retained. let's see what the issue is. Nice that we are immediately running into a problem. Oh, nice. This will. Okay. Okay, we were in. There was an old host. I think it was the previous server that I just deleted was connected with this SSH. So that was the problem why we couldn't connect to our server, but we are connected. So okay, let's continue with the tutorial. We are connected to the server, so we are connected to the what we are going to do is we are going to run some updates because we are just got the server, and before we can continue we will need to run some updates. So first this one, and let me go to the school community and add just like this. Okay, this is a better screen, I think. Yeah, okay, nice. This is better. Server. Now what? Connect with your SSH key to the server from your terminal, and you can do that with SSH root IP address of the server, like this. So if you are starting and want to follow along, just follow along. I will just paste all the commands that you need in the community. So first run updates. So this is the first command. Second command, we are going to set the time zone for our current time zone. So if you don't want to do it, you don't need to run this command. Then we are going to the next step, and we are going to set up the firewall. If you are using N8N and you don't set up your firewall, you will get a lot of errors. So this is a really important step in self-hosting your N8N. So good that we are doing it. So let's continue. This is the first command. Then we are going to open up some ports. This is the first port. If there are any questions, just let me know, and you can just rewind the stream and follow along with the step we're currently. We are opening up some firewall ports, so N8N will work on our self-hosted headset server. And the last one, let me see, I have run them all. Yeah, okay, now we're going to enable it. Let me just close down Siri. And yes, we are proceeding. Okay, nice. These are all the commands that you will have to run. So the firewall is set. Then what we did in the installation of the headset server, when we selected it, we already chosen the apps and we choose them for Docker. So this will give us, just to check if you are running Docker. Maybe you forgot it. If you didn't do it, then you will have to install it, because we are going to need Docker for EasyPanel and to run N8N in just in one container. Okay. If Docker isn't installed, these are the commands that you, or this just a C curl to get Docker installed. Only do this if Docker isn't installed. If Docker already is installed, you don't need to do it. And let me make it a different color. Can I do it? Okay, I can't do it. Okay, so let me add some lines in between some important steps, like this. Okay, so I hope this isn't misleading people, so they run this command. It shouldn't be a problem, but it's okay. So now we are going to the fun part. We are going to install EasyPanel, and the command for it is this. So you can just paste it and it will run, as you can see in my terminal. It's getting downloaded and installed. Then we are going to see a successful installation, and there will be a URL that we can open up. It's over here. We're gonna open it up. Why isn't it working? That's strange. Oh, wait. HTTP, like this. Okay, there it is. It didn't copy the first part of the URL, so now it did, and we are up and running. So let me take a screenshot and edit. Come on, screenshot. Okay, oh, like this. Nice. Okay, you can just set up your email and copy the URL and okay, the image. Okay, nice. Let's upload it. Let me save it for now, and let's create our credentials. I will just, how did you find us? YouTube, because you're watching this YouTube video. And we're in. This is these are the first steps to run your N8N. If you have done these steps, how long are we streaming? How long are we streaming for? 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes we bought a headset server, installed Docker on it, created an SSH key, and installed EasyPanel. EasyPanel is free, so we like free, but of course they are offering a paid service as well. You'll get a bit more monitoring and notification and database backups, but you can just set it up yourself as well. So for now, we are going to create a project. We're going to create N8N. Then we are going to press this little service button, select search for N8N. Let's check what the latest version is. Let me see if I can. Oh, it's over here. 1.9.1. You can do it like this. Where is it? Over here. Or just do latest and go. And now we wait for N8N to be installed in your Easy Panel. I hope it will work with latest. Otherwise, we will have to just enter the latest version. Let's see. For now, we can. Okay. I think it won't work because we did latest, but no problem. We can just do another one. And then, what was it? 1.941. Okay. 94.1. Oh. I have to. Oh, no, it's already running. So, this is your URL, and you are done. You are self-hosting your N8N and only paying, what was the price of our server? Only paying €9 a month to run N8N. So, in this little 30 minutes, we saved almost $15 to self-host our N8N. So you can just make an account and set it up, and you will see that it's all working and running. Another thing that you can do is go to Easy Panel and then go to domain. Mine is all in Dutch, but yeah, of course you can set it in your own language. Let me see if I can do it right now. I'm not sure where. Let me see if it's possible. In the settings, it isn't. So, no, in the settings, it isn't possible. But yeah, if you install it, it will be in your own language or in English. For now, if you have bought a domain, you can add your domain over here. So, just like I'm doing, you can go to and I can go to this page, and this is my self-hosted N8N with my own URL. You can just add your domain, and as an example, I can show it to you in mine, so you have some references. Over here, just like this, add your domain at the same destination, and you will have another domain with your own domain. It really isn't necessary if you just use it for your own hosting and just use it and are not reselling it or doing it for a customer. But if you are setting up for a customer, you can set it up like this and set it up on a subdomain for your customer. If you have done that, then you will need to change the webhook as well, because especially if you're using a own domain, you have to change that. Another thing you can do is add some basic authentication. So when people, let me do that, automation. And if I go to our, now I have to sign in. So if you want a bit more security, you can just add your basic authentication, and I'll just remove it for now. And yeah, this will definitely help to prevent people from doing wrongful stuff with your N8N. Are there any questions about the first part? If there aren't, we are going to move on to the next one. Even kijken hoor. Okay, I don't see any questions, so let's just move on with the next part of the video. Okay, we installed N8N. Now we are going to install the first template, and that's Kokoro. It's Kokoro. Not Kokomoro, but Kokoro. So we have selected Kokoro as a template, and let's wait for it to be installed. I would recommend, if you are adding a service, always set up your security. So always create a username and a password to prevent people from entering your services. So remember that, it's really important to always do that. So Kokoro is installing. Let's wait for it. Oh, we could just move on and don't make the stream video unnecessarily longer. Crawl4ai. We are going to do all and go. Let's see if it's going to start. I hope my server can handle it. So let me just switch something in the settings. All right, we're back. Okay, so okay, let's see if the services are done. Yeah, Kokoro is running, I think. Let's check it. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. This is nice that this is happening, because we can just go and fix it immediately. Just pick the new version, hit save, and in English this is deploy. So just hit the green button, and now we will have the new version of Kokoro, self-hosted on our cheap N8N, €8.50 a month, where you can create text-to-speech from the browser. So you can just enter your text in this field, or you can call the API and make an API request to it. This is the base URL and your API key. I will show your API key is over here. This is your API key. So if you go to your API, enter your API key and hit OK. How to set this up and call the API in N8N, that's something we can talk about on a different live stream. But for now, this is all you need to know. If you have any questions about this part, installing Kokoro, no, it's Kokoro, just let me know. So I think it's deployed. It's This is the model, Kokoro on Hugging Face.
Kokoro is an open-weight TTS model with 82 million parameters.
And
Despite its lightweight
it's
architecture,
almost
it delivers
downloaded
comparable
2
quality
million
to other
times.
models,
So this is,
being
yeah, if
significantly
you,
faster and
I'll
more
just paste it
cost-efficient. With Apache licensed weights,
in the chat
Kokoro
so
can
you
be
can
deployed anywhere from production environments to personal projects.
Coco. Yeah, you can just check it out. It's insanely good model, insanely good. And of course, don't forget, we're just self-hosting this, and we can just generate voice, and it will download this voice, this model quantization, and we will just get a big pop-up where we can just listen to what we just created. And we can download it.
Learn, adapt, evolve, and keep improving.
So self-hosting is key when you are going to production and you want to help a customer out that's running into trouble with text-to-speech models. This is a great way to help them out. So we can download it, of course, but for now it's okay. Then what we are going to do is Crawl AI still not? Let me check if. Let me try to run it again. Let's see if it will. Or we can just delete this one. Let me just delete this one and try it again. Crawl4ai. Let's just try basic for now. Let's wait for it to be installed. And of course, Crawl AI. It's this GitHub repo. AI. You can just check it out. Open source, LLM friendly web crawler. Yeah, if you're not familiar with GitHub and think this is really overwhelming, yeah, easy panel and just host it yourself. Let me check if there. No, it's not available. It's still not working. That's a bit strange, but it's deployed, so okay. Let me see what the image is. Basic ARM. Oh wait, I know. I think I know what I did wrong. Let's delete it and try it again. And do it like this. Let's check it out if it's going to work now. So when this service is running, you will have your personal crawling service. And these are all the templates that EasyPanel is offering. Something I saw, Draw.io, this open source app that you can just install on your own server from Hetzner and run it. Another good one is, let me see, where was it? How was it called? Let me check. Oh yeah, for example, you can also run WordPress websites on your Hetzner server. So you can just open up 100 of WordPress websites over here on this Hetzner server. So that is something you can do as well. And I am running MeTube. It's just a personal YouTube downloader. I don't like all those dozens of websites that are offering YouTube downloading, but yeah, I like it without ads, just like this. So let's see if Crawl4ai is started. Not yet. Okay. Let me add a page before I forget it. Installing Kokoro. Let's see if I can. Oh, nice. It's working. So we will have our personal crawler as well. Why is it running, going to the docs? So let me check. Oh, it's still. Okay, this is strange. I don't want to see the docs, I want to see Crawl4ai. Okay, this is strange. So, not sure. It could be that the server isn't capable enough to run it, so we need to upgrade it, but let's just check it out why it isn't working. Let me check on a different instance. Why it isn't working. So let's see why it isn't working. Which version am I running over here? It's latest, so let me just grab this one like this and implement. So let's redeploy it and let's see what will happen. Installing Kokoro, that's been done like this. Go to your page where all the servers are and search for Kokoro and make a print screen of it. And just like that, we have saved money on the cloud hosting. Page. We saved money on the cloud hosting, and we saved money on the text-to-speech, and we saved money on the crawler when it's up and running. Let me just go to the security page and add some security Kokoro. And make a print screen of this one as well. On arrow security, so it's clearer what you will need to do over there. Okay, for now that's okay. I'll just paste the video in it as well. So let's check Crawl AI if it's installed. Bada bing, bada boom, it's working. So we are running Kokoro. Not sure how to pronounce it. And we're running Crawl4ai, and we have set up our own N8N. I think we are done. So for this stream, if there aren't any questions about the self-hosting part, and setting up the screen, the three templates. Then I will proceed to the next part, and that's a little bit, it will be difficult to follow along. What we are going to do is we are going to recreate the YouTube Transcription API. If you search in Google, this is a great SaaS idea as well. Search for YouTube Transcribe API. There are a lot of services that are currently offering it, but just check their pricing. It's insane. So you're paying $40 a month for 10,000 searches. When I saw this, I couldn't believe it. But are people actually paying these kinds of money for just pulling transcriptions from YouTube? No, $9. It's okay for 1,000 credits. This is actually pretty sweet deal. But we are going to save a lot of money because we are going to build it in our N8N self-host, and I will show you how. This is a workflow where I'm able to grab the latest video, execute a command, and let an agent, let me disable this one, and let an agent, oh wait, let me just log in. Oh, it's not working. Why isn't that working? Let me just Python 3. Try it like this. Okay. This is a real bad demo. Am I on the right? Oh wait, I think I'm on the wrong URL. Okay, you got bad demos and you got really shitty demos. There was a really shitty demo, but let me check something. I think I was on the wrong URL. Yeah, that's the problem when you got several N8N workflows running. Let me see if I can find it. And I have to delete the other one because this will oh, it's not working as well over here. That's strange. Okay, sorry for this bad demo, but let me just check something why it isn't working. I prepared this, but it's not working. So let's see what we can do. We already installed N8N, we installed Kokoro, and we installed Crawl4ai. Let's check. Okay, let me just debug some stuff. Need to check why it is not going. Exit. I have to. Grab my server ID, and let's see why we are facing these issues. So just checking if I can show this. If there aren't any other stuff shown, so let's see. It's data. Let me try. I think it is an. Didn't close my computer the right way, so let me just check what the issue will be. I think I can show this to you on the screen, but let me just try to figure out how. Okay, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Cursor AI and Windsurf AI. Let me check. Oh, wait. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just writing stuff down because I will need to adjust some stuff in the tutorial because it isn't working. So that's a bit strange. Okay, let's continue for a second. Are there any questions about the parts that we already have done? Installed SSH, installed a server, and are running currently the headset server with EasyPanel. EasyPanel. These are all templates, and they are offering new ones very often. So if you are in need of a different template, you can just check them out. Let me see if we already mentioned WordPress, and we already mentioned waste the bin if you want to transfer files. TubeSync, they're pretty cool options. TeamSpeak, I'm not sure if there are any gamers watching, but TeamSpeak. SerpBear, where did I see it? SerpBear. So where is it? SerpBear, over here. Yeah. SerpBear, replacement for your rankings, and you can add different kind of SERP API you can add to see your rankings and add your Google Cloud Search Console as well to it. Let's see if we are ready. Okay, I will just call it a day and make a new video how to install the YouTube Transcribe API. If you are not familiar with that one, I will show you which one we are going to install. That's this one. It's a free API. It's not really an API, but it's so it's called. And the only thing that you will have to do is to create a WeShare account, a WebShare account, because we are running an Ether server, a cloud server, and the YouTube is blocking all the cloud servers. So yeah, you have to grab a residential. Let me see, residential, and 1 gigabyte. There, yeah. If you grab a yearly plan, you will even get for $5 a month, 1 gigabyte of bandwidth, and that's enough. That really is enough, and you will have almost 200,000 different kind of APIs to work with and to use as a proxy, so you won't get banned by YouTube for using this service. Okay, let's see if we can. So, the final plug. If you are in search for a new school community, currently crazy low price of $25 with almost 30 templates in the classroom just to download. So, thanks for watching, and have a great evening. Bye bye.